Hey folks, welcome back to Honey Money SG. Today let's talk about credit card stacking rewards, because you know, right, you have to maximize your rewards, and one of the ways is to actually stack multiple offers on top of your credit cards. So today I'm going to go through 3 ways that you can maximize your rewards. Now the first one is the ultimate no minimum spend cashback credit card reward hack that I think everybody should learn off by now, because not only it gives no minimum spend but gives the maximum cashback that I think is suitable for every user out there, because there is no stress of hitting any kind of minimum spend. And that will involve getting your first credit card from the American Express, because they have this true cashback card whereby it gives 1.5% unlimited cashback on almost every purchase. And like I mentioned always, the main thing of using American Express true cashback is to get a 1.5% cashback on your Grabpay top up. Once you've got your Grab wallet top up, then you can move on to the next step, because this time you will get 1.2% in terms of Grab reward points if you use the Grabpay. Now that is assuming that you are already a platinum tier member with Grab, and that involves a little bit of Grabpay spending on your part. So once you have hit platinum tier, then you can expect to redeem Grab rewards at a rate of 1.2%, which I think is fairly good. So we are good so far, right? 1.5% on American Express true cashback, 1.2% on the Grab rewards, total 2.7. That was my strategy last year when I talked about the UOB Absolute AMEX card with the Grabpay card, remember? That was like 2.9%, but we got the level up year over year, right? We cannot stay in the same place. So this year, we need to advance in our strategy, and that is using your Grabpay to top up to JiPay. I talked about JiPay in the previous video. This card will give you 1.5% cashback on eligible categories. And of course, you can use your Grabpay wallet to top up to JiPay, thereby earning you another 1.5% cashback from JiPay if you use it on eligible spending. So far, we have 1.5% from True Cashback, 1.2% from Grab, and 1.5% from JiPay. And you think that's the end? Certainly not, because next you can use your JiPay to top up to your EasyLink wallet. Now this EasyLink wallet app is something new. I think recently this year they launched a sign up promotion whereby if you sign up for it, you get $5, and then you spend another $10, you get $5. And one of the members in my Telegram group actually feedback that you can use JiPay to top up to EasyLink wallet to get 1.5% cashback as well. So I thought, why not, right? Let's continue to do this hack from JiPay to EasyLink wallet, because you know the EasyLink wallet app can actually do a lot of things now. You actually have an EasyLink Mastercard whereby you can use it and make online purchases, and if your phone has Google Pay enabled, you can load this EasyLink Mastercard into your Google Pay and then use Google Pay link to your EasyLink Mastercard to go and make purchases via Mastercard PayPass. Not only that, because EasyLink Wallet is also a partner of the SGQR program, meaning if you go to the hawker stores and they have this SGQR sticker there, and one of the eligible app is of course the EasyLink Wallet, which means you can now actually use your EasyLink Wallet to go and scan for these QR codes to make payment, even if the merchant do not accept credit cards. And at the same time, you do earn some EasyLink points along the way, but I'm not going to talk about EasyLink points because those points are almost negligible. I think the main draw of EasyLink is that it allows you to actually make online payment using the EasyLink Mastercard, as well as contactless Google Pay payments using your Google Pay enabled phone, and also SGQR code via the EasyLink Wallet app. So if we add all the stacking rewards up, we have 1.5% from AMEX True Cashback, 1.2% from Grab Reward Points, 1.5% from JiPay, and of course some negligible EasyLink wallet points, totaling up to 4.2% cashback if you are an existing American Express True Cashback credit card holder. But do you know that if you are not an existing card holder of American Express, you can sign up using my referral link, and of course you get 3% cashback on your first $5,000 spend, and you can even use this $5,000 spend to just top up Grab wallet, because it runs a promotion whereby the first 6 months or the first $5,000 spend is actually getting 3% instead of 1.5%. So remember, this is really the importance of credit card stacking, because you don't just want to stop at 1.5% cashback, right? You can potentially go up to 5.2% if you are a new American Express True Cashback card holder. So do join my Telegram group if you really want to learn more of such strategies, because we have a community there to talk about it. The next method is the FavePay cashback stack. Now I'm sure some of you has heard of FavePay, but for those who haven't, it's basically like an e-wallet app, but you don't really have to top up credits to the FavePay. It's more like a credit card linkage whereby you can select a linked credit card to make payments of FavePay, and FavePay actually exists in a lot of QR code merchants as well. So one of the eligible cards is actually the Citi Rewards Mastercard that gives you 4 miles per dollar or 10x reward points, which FavePay is eligible for one of the online categories. So you can actually sign up for Citi Rewards Mastercard using my link below and get some Citi sign up bonus as well, because I think it's up to $300 or even $400 the previous month. And if you think I'm just going to stop at the credit card, then you must be wrong, because you can stack your Citi Rewards Mastercard on top of the Instarem Amaze card, because Instarem Amaze card allows you to earn 0.5% additional local currency cashback as well as 1% additional cashback from foreign currency purchases. There's also an added benefit where there's no foreign currency transaction fee if you use the Amaze card, so it's very useful for overseas travel as well. But anyway, the ultimate payment method is to go through FavePay, because the good thing about FavePay is that it gives you up to 5% cashback for selected merchants. So for example, you have a particular merchant or food store that you really love to frequently visit, you can keep going back because you will earn 5% cashback on your current transaction, and it can only be used on the same merchant in your next visit. Of course, there's an expiry that comes with it. Not really for those merchants which you only visit one time, but if you are a frequent customer of this merchant, then I think it's really good because it's like cumulative cashbacks on your purchases. So how to use FavePay is very simple. You just have to scan the FavePay QR code on your merchant, and then you will automatically apply any kind of existing cashback that you may have, and then you will just pay the net amount payable. So I think it's really simple to use FavePay as well. So if you're using the FavePay cashback stack method, you can expect to get like 4 miles per dollar from your Citi Rewards Mastercard, 0.5% of Instarem Amaze cashback, as well as up to 5% on your FavePay cashback merchant. So do you think this FavePay cashback stacking is good enough? If not, I'll recommend you another method, which is my third strategy, Capital eVoucher stack. I'm sure many of you have visited at least one Capital Mall in your life, be it Bugis Junction, Bedok Mall, Plaza Singapura, right? And they do run quite aggressive shopping promotions, because most likely you will see this kind of advertisements like you buy $100 worth of CapitaVouchers, you get $10 bonus, right? So my tip is, if you are a frequent customer to Capital Mall vouchers, then it's worth it to buy, because it is almost like a 10% discount if you are using it as a frequent customer, and that will give you a significant cost savings over credit cards. Not only that, if you use the American Express Capitacard, you can actually stand to earn 1.5% cashback even if you use it to purchase your eCapitaVouchers, which was what I did last month, right, when they were running the 10% bonus promo. So once you've gotten your eCapitaVouchers, then you can use it at those stores within Capital Malls that accepts eCapitaVouchers, because once you use it, you can actually earn 0.5% cashback in terms of the Star Points. Now, Star Points is the loyalty program of the Capital Mall, so do sign up for it if you are a frequent goer. I also have a referral link there where you can get some sign up bonus as well. And also, if you manage to spend above $20 in a single receipt, you can actually scan this receipt using your eCapitaStar app and earn up to 1% cashback. So let's do a quick calculation, right? 10% bonus or discount by buying CapitaVouchers on a promotion, that is 10%, and then we have 1.5% cashback if we use the American Express Capital card to buy it, and also we get 1.5% cashback if we use eCapitaVoucher to pay and even scan the receipt above $20. That is coming up to a total of 13% cashback or discount. So you see the power of credit card stacking and cashback stacking. There's really a lot of savings that can be done, and you can discuss this in my Telegram group as well, because not many people will talk about it online, but all these ways are legal and as advertised. But if you do want to learn of higher level credit card churning hacks, then I refer you to watch this video, because I talk about credit card churning in greater detail in a Singapore context, right? With that, thank you for watching. My name is Christopher. This is Honey Money SG, steering young adults to financial independence.